Hello everyone. If you want to make your home look modern and stylish and clutter free, then today's video is just for you. So friends, because in this video we are going to talk about one of the most trending and practical interior design element, that is the floating wall shelves. So friends, in today's video we will cover what are the floating shelves, their importance, benefits and advantages, and different types of floating shelves and price in India. So make sure watch this video till end. So friends, floating wall shelves are wall-mounted shelves without visible brackets or supports. So unlike traditional shelves, they give to the clean and minimal look, as if they are floating on the wall. These shelves are stylish, space-saving, and easy to install, perfect for the modern homes. And today's floating wall shelves used in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and kids' rooms and drawing rooms. And they are not just for storage, they are also decor elements. So now we know importance of floating wall shelves. These are space optimization, like in small homes and apartments the space is limited. The floating shelves help to use vertical wall space efficiently, and they give to the clean and modern and minimal and premium look to the modern interior design look. And this also multi-purpose. You can use them on the books, showpieces, plants, kitchen items, bathroom essentials, and much more. And they help to keep your living room organized and neat and clutter-free living room look. And affordable decoration. Instead of expensive furniture, the flooring shelves are the budget-friendly decor option. So friends, the benefits of floating wall shelves are space saving. These are perfect for small rooms and compact homes. And easy installation. Most shelves come to the DIY installation kits. And versatile design. They match the modern interiors, traditional homes, and minimalistic setups. And customizable layouts. You can install them on the horizontal and vertical in the patterns. And these are enhance the wall decor. Empty walls look bring of shelves makes them attractive and low maintenance, easy to clean and maintain. And these are the lightweight but strong. Good quality shelves can hold the books, kitchen jars, and decorative items. So, friends, advantages of these floating wall shelves. It's no visible brackets. It's due to the clean and floating effect, and cost effective, the cheaper than the cabinets or storage units, and easy replacement. You can change the any design anytime and improve the storage without the floor space. These are perfect for small plants. Stylish display option. These are best for photo frames, indoor plants, and awards. And the types of wooden floating shelves, not floating shelves. There are many types of available in the market. The first is the wooden floating shelves. These are the most popular, strong, and durable and premium look. MDF shelves. These are the budget friendly and lightweight and good for the lightweight items. Glass shelves, modern and elegant and best for bathrooms. And metal shelves. These are the industrial look and very strong. Corner shelves. These are perfect for unused corners and space saving. Box shelves. These are the box shaped designs, stylish and decorative, like hexagons, squares also available, and vertical and zigzag lines also available. These types of floating shelves. And zigzag shelves, these are unique and modern design, best for living room decor. So friends, now let's talk about price. The price depends on the material, size, brand, and design. The average price in India, MDF shelves will be starting at 200 rupees to going up to the 800 rupees. Wooden shelves is starting at the 600 rupees to going up to the 2000 rupees or 2500 rupees. And designer shelves, this will be starting at the 800 rupees to going up to the 5000 rupees or plus. And glass shelves, 500 rupees to going up to the 2000 rupees. You can easily find on this Flipboard. I will provide the affiliate links you can check out. And so, guys, the floating wall shelves are the stylish, affordable, and space saving and multi purpose. If you want to upgrade your home interiors without of spending too much money, the floating shelves are the perfect choice. You can go for it. If you found this video please helpful,